Chewandswallow.
That is one big mayor.
Delight in our nacho cheese hot springs. Allow your kids to eat all the junk food they want in our completely unsupervised kids zone.
I've got jelly beans for tea!
And when the fun is done, gaze upon the sunset cresting over Mount Leftovers, from which we're protected by a presumably indestructible dam. We've got people here today from all around the world, from as far as China to West Virginia.
Flint, you need to look at this.
Why aren't you on TV? You're supposed to be broadcasting this.
There's a problem. I think the food's getting bigger.
I know, it's great. Bigger portion sizes. Everyone loves it.
Flint, I'm not sure we're doing the right thing here.
Sam,
what
listen,
if we've bitten off more than we can chew?
For the first time in my life, everybody loves something that I've done. Why can't you just be happy for me and go say the weather or something? Jeez.
And without further ado, our town's hero and my metaphorical son, Flint Lockwood.
Yeah! Thank you! Thank you! Sign my shrimp! Thank you! Yeah! Woo! Oh, you're working it, dude!
Brent, we're gonna need you to hand over the ceremonial scissors.
No! You can't!
Go.
You can't take them! No! Oh, baby Brent! Uh-oh!
Put your clothes back on!
Who am I?
Go ahead, Flint. Everybody loves you.
Salt and pepper mint. Oregano. Mamma mia. Sam, wait, no, I can turn it off! I can turn it off.
Pardon me?
Excuse me.
Oh, no problem.
No!
Gummy bears!
Not now, Steve.
Condiment, salt, pepper.
This is Sam Sparks, live from Chewandswallow, where Spaghetti Twister...
Whoa, Sam, hey! We love a good storm over here, but you look like a nerd.
Patrick, several children are stranded in the path of this tomato tornado.
My tummy hurts.
Down!
Swirling the path of man.
Yikes! What is that, a scrunchie? I haven't seen one of those since 1995.
We have an actual weather emergency.
Oh, no! Well, we'll get right back to that storm, and hopefully Sam will look a little more appealing. Boop.
Steve, we just have to upload the kill code and it will shut down the... Oh, what are you doing here?
I've been up here ordering dinner for the last 10 minutes. Why? Is something going on?
I've got to stop the machine. Everyone's in danger because of me.
Oh, it can't be that bad.
No, oh, hi.
Well, I'm out of here.
I can still stop the order with a kill code. Sending kill code.
I'm back.
Got to get the button.
Play, fun, play!
It's been nice to beat you.
That's a radish! That was the only way to communicate with the machine. What exactly did you order?
A Vegas-style all-you-can-eat buffet?